U.S. Treasuries took down.
Listen up, Rebels. Rebel Leader here. So that's kind of where I see you want to put your money. Again, if less volatility, you would put it into one of these big four tech stocks. And again, you can just look at what these stocks have done. This isn't a surprise, right? It's literally called FANG of big tech, right? Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. So the question becomes now, can you handle the volatility? Are you okay waiting a year or two for these stocks to kind of blow up? Where you might take a more conservative, longer approach with these stocks, the FANG stocks. It won't go up as much as, say, a Revolve can, or as much, say, a Palantir can. It's not high growth anymore. So that's kind of a personal question, and it's really something you have to ask yourself before you enter a stock, so you don't make the mistake of losing money. And that's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They don't understand how volatility works. They don't understand how their reaction to volatility will play out. Again, we make emotional decisions all the time. The stock market is not a place for that, because that's how you lose money. We always want to avoid losing money, and going into it with a plan and high conviction is how you don't lose money. Long-term visions. When I say long-term, I'm talking about a year. Put your money in a stock for a year before you pull it out or see how it does. And again, you always have to compare it against a benchmark. Compare it against if you put all your money into Apple. Compare your portfolio if you put all your money into Amazon. Did it outperform it? Did it do better? Worse? And if it did worse, you might as well just throw everything into it. And again, this is something that you have to come across with more experience as you're building through the years. I myself am starting to realize a lot of things that I could have maybe handled better or been approached a little smarter. But again, it's really just starting out and having a long-term vision. Rebel Leader, over and out.